In Business Central, item tracking is integrated with job management. And this means that you can track items with serial numbers and lot numbers on jobs. So let me show you this with an example. So I already prepared an item that is set up with serial number tracking. So let me quickly show you this. And it's the Projector Advanced Series. So just an example. And if I scroll down, you can see that I've assigned an item tracking code serial number all, which for the demo company Krones is serial number specific tracking. Or in other words, this means that I always have to enter serial numbers both for inbound and outbound transactions. Now let's purchase the item for a job. So I will go to Sales and Purchases, Purchase Orders. And I will create a very simple purchase order of, let's say, 2 units. So vendor is 10,000. Let me already enter the vendor invoice number because I would like to invoice the purchase order to have Business Central create job entries. So in here you can see now if I search for the item, so the Projector Advanced Series, and if I enter 2, I can assign the job number. So let's assign this to the reception area remodeling job. And let's take task decorations and furnishing. All right, there we go. Now, because this item has specific serial number tracking set up, we need to go to line, item tracking line, and in this case assign to serial numbers. So I will just do this manually to keep it as simple as possible. So let's just use serial number 1, so quantity is 1, and then also serial number 2. Of course, there are more advanced functions in Business Central to assign serial number, but it's not an inventory course, it's a job course. So let's keep the serial number part as simple as possible. Okay, so these are the 2 serial numbers that we purchased from the vendor and that we now post to the job. So I will click here on posting, post, and like I just said, I will post everything at the same time. All right, there we go. So let's have a look at the job. So I will return to the role center. Then jobs. So remember, we posted everything to the reception area remodeling job. And now if you click on navigate, history, and if you open the job ledger entries, you will see that there are 2 projectors. So not one item ledger entry with quantity 2, no, because of the fact that there is a unique serial number. Business Central creates a job ledger entry for every serial number. So serial number 1 and serial number 2. And now if you use the item tracing functionality in Business Central, so in inventory management, users can use item tracing to trace items in the supply chain. So let me go to item tracing. And if I enter one of the serial numbers, so for example, serial number 1, and you can trace from usage to origin or the other way around, but let's just stick to this. Next, I can click on Process Trace. You can also see that the system not only traces the purchase document, so on which we have received the item, but also the job on which the item is used. You see, so that shows that item tracking using serial numbers, lot numbers is integrated with job management in Business Central.